Hi people, welcome back to my channel. It's Marisol. In today's video, I decided to create this look and I want to share it to you guys. And this is how it's gonna look like. So anyways, in today's video, this is something like I want to share to you about this Naked 3 Urban Decay palette. This palette was first launched like 5 years ago, if I'm not mistaken. And I had this palette for like 4 years now. But this guy here, this is the authentic one. I just found out just recently, like a week ago, that what I had, that I bought 4 years ago, I mean 5 years ago, is a knockoff one. So, look at the color, guys. It is very quite different. I mean, there's Naked 2 palette. I believe that was first launched back in 2013. And Naked 3, if I'm not mistaken, maybe back in 2014. And I bought this back in 2015. Close to 2016, I believe. Urban Decay is $54, this kind of palette, and I bought this in eBay. But we're gonna discuss that on my next video. I'm gonna walk through to you guys which one is fake and which one is authentic. I was just trying to save money, and I used this is the fake one. This is the knockoff one. I used this like half dozen of times now, or more than that, and I stopped using this because I just noticed that I just really don't like how the colors turns out. It says that it's pigmented, but I found it's not. So anyways, enough for that, and I'll be filming and I'll be creating a video on that. But right today, I'm going to show you how I created this look. Before we start, I'm going to put this eyeshadow shield. Give me 1 second. So if there's fallout, it will catches in there, but I noticed there's nothing that much fallout. I just wanna created this some kind of dramatic light wing right here by doing this by using this as a guide. So anyways, let's start off. I already primed my eye using the this concealer Tarte Shape Tape, and I set it with my translucent powder. So with my with this brush Sigma E35, I'll be using right here this color Mooner. I'm going to use that and pick that color as my transition. Top it off and just use it here on my on my crease. Yeah, definitely this authentic one is more pigmented and it gives more nice color. So again, on my next video, guys, I'm gonna show you the inside of the knockoff one and the authentic one. So just blend it really good to have a soft and smooth transition there. All right, on a brush Sigma E25, I am going to use this color Buzz right here. Tap it off, and I'm still gonna use that here on my crease, and just do like a wiping motion and going down here on the outer part of my lid, go up more. I'm going to pick a little bit of that color, guys, okay? And I'm gonna bring it here, right on the, hang on the, all the way here to the outer part. Alright guys, with a clean brush, I'm going to pick this color Strange, just to blend out the harshness here on my crease. Alright. And then I'll be using the brush of this palette. So this it comes with a double-ended brush, the flat one, and like this one, and it's floppy as well. So with color, I'm going to pick this Mugshot, this color right here, and I'm going to use the brush of this palette itself. So I'm going to pick that color, and I'm just gonna put that all over my lid. Yes guys, the color is nicer than the old one I have. So I'm just using like a patting motion here. I'm not blending it like that. It has a little fallout, guys, but you know, it's not a big deal. So after that, let's see, give me 1 second. Look how nice the color is. It's kind of soft, rosy color. Okay. And then after that, I am going to use brush Sigma E30, the pencil brush, using Factory, this color right here, Factory. I'm gonna pick off that color, tap it off, and then I'm going to apply that here on the outer part. Just a patting motion. I'm just gonna focus here on the outer part, guys. Okay, and then I'm going to use the brush of this palette. So I'll be using the, what is this called? I'm sorry, Dark Heart, this one. So I'm gonna pick that color. That's a very nice warm color. So I'm just going to put that here really close to my lashes, like from the outer third to outer part. And then I'm going to slowly bring up a little here using my shield as a guide. Just blend it really good so there's no harshness. Then after that, I'm gonna go back to this brush Sigma E35 just to blend them in, like here on the crease, on my crease, like that. And then this color, guys, the Strange, I'm going to pick a little of that color and just a tiny bit on my brow bone. A little on the other side. Okay, and now I'll be using, I know I think I've shown this to you a couple times already. I'll be using this Hypnotic Lights from Milani again, right here. So I'll be using this highlighter just on the middle of my lid, just to give a highlights there, like a glittery thing, because I intentionally want to create this look, guys, for holidays makeup. I'm not using a glue, guys, because this is wet and this is like, this is supposedly a highlighter, but I'm using it there and it's very, very nice. It is very shimmery and glittery, which is perfect for Christmas, for the holidays. And it's gonna get dry in just a few seconds. So I'll be using this Sigma E54 just to blend it out, like in the edge, so there's no harshness there. And then on my Sigma brush E35, I'm going to use that just to blend the top. And let's see. Ta-da! Oh, give me 1 second. I forgot one thing. Of course, I'm gonna be using the Becca Highlighter in color Moonstone. And I am going to use this in here on my inner lid, like that, just like a highlighter. Okay, and I'm just going to use my powder. I'm using a Clinique powder. It's called Almost Powder Makeup. It has a SPF 18, and I'm using number 2. So I'm just going to do like that, the harshness. Alright mga loves, I am going to put the false lashes off the camera and I'll be right back. Alright mga loves, here's the final look. Alright guys, the reason why I got this another Naked3 Urban Decay palette, probably my boyfriend forgot that I had one, the fake one. And the reason why this is a half price last Black Friday, and he got me one. And again, I'll be filming or making a video and walk through with you the difference between the knockoff and the authentic one. Alright, so I hope you guys like this video and give me a thumbs up. For those who hasn't subscribed yet to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe so you will be notified once I uploaded a video. And I will see you on my next video guys, and I'll be filming another looks with this palette soon. Bye and have a good day.